How would you feel when you can take up anything and you are getting it to the end point? So in this video, I'm going to give you the tips and tricks on how you can make that fail-proof journey for anything you have started with. So stay to the end of this video to get a complete essence of it and also to get some goodies from me. Hi, this is Vinitha, life coach for homemakers. In this video, I am going to break down the tips and tricks how to make or how to have a fail-proof journey for anything you have started. So let's go into the video. So the first thing what I want you to do is to get out why, the reason for what you have started this journey. The journey, it can be for reading a book, or it can be doing exercise, or you are willing to start up a venture or a business, whatever it is. Okay, something you have started in your life, but then how to take it to the end point, how to take it to that point what you're dreaming of. It can be like what I said as a reading book, completing the book, because the people, they have stack of books in their shelves but they are unable to complete it. Yes, or people just planning to do exercise routinely every day in the morning but they are unable to do it. Yes, and sometimes the people are having that they have to do some business in their life, but then they are unable to take it to that action, take it to that end point where they will be seeing it in real. Yes, so this tips and what I'm going to give you will be helping you out. And the first reason, as or what I asked you to do, is to get out the reason why you are starting this journey. I want you to think and get better questions for yourself. Why you are there to read that book? Why you are there to think that you have to do exercise? Why? The better questions. And I want you to think the end point, what you really want to see yourself. So begin the journey by seeing the end of the journey. So just make yourself to think over what is the actual end point you are aiming off, so that you will stay motivated in the journey. And also I want you to plant that seed in your mind before you start this journey, so that you will avoid distractions and you will be alert and focused in your journey. So the first step is finding why. Ask better questions to yourself. And the next is, I want you to set the intention that whatever you are starting with, it is really simple, fun and effective. Yeah, I want you to set this. You'll be fine thinking, why am I saying this, right? So why am I telling you is, your brain will help you to do something which you feel it's simple, which you feel fun. Yes, and in which you are getting out results to see, viable results. Wow. Yes, when you are able to see, feel something fun in that, simple in that, then you will be really doing it. And when you are seeing the tangible results in hands, okay, when you are seeing it, you are doing exercise daily and you are able to see the flexibility in yours, or you are reading a book and you are able to see that half the book you have finished. So the effective result. Yes, so when you are able to do that, see that your brain will motivate you. And also when you are finding that process as very, very simple, then again it will be helping you that it's very simple, right? Everybody love to do simple things and fun-loving things, right? So just set the intention of whatever you intend to start with as simple, fun and effective. The next is, I want you to schedule it. Schedule the thing, whatever you wanted to start with, and I want you to stack it between the things what you want to do. For an example, if you are starting up to read a book, if it is that, then I want you to schedule it as, like, if you are good at being alert in the morning person, if you are so, for an example, okay, if you are so, then you can plan it in the morning as 7, and 7 also I want you to stack it between two activities, like the morning routine, what you are doing it in the morning, and the breakfast. Between it, I want you to stack between the morning schedule and the breakfast. And like that, in any part of the time, if you're an evening person, if you are so alert in the evening that whatever you wanted to do it, just make it yourself available in the time when you are so alert in the day. Okay, so that you will be energized to do the work effectively. So I want you to schedule it and stack it between two things which you are doing in normal process. For what I really mean is, nobody will say that they didn't have time to brush, because it is already stacked in their schedule. Because as soon as they get up, they will brush. Getting up and then it's brushing, right? They have stacked it, they have scheduled it. Same like that, I want you to stack between the two routines what you're following in your life. So make that reading a book or exercising, whatever it is, okay, whatever you mean to start it, I want you to stack it between two routine what you're following in your life. And the next thing what I want to say is reward yourself. Yes. And whatever you do, I want you to reward it on daily basis. For example, I tell you, if you are reading a book, yes, and after reading a book, I want you to reward yourself by, let it have a simple thing, like if you are so good in texting up in WhatsApp message, I want you to take up the mobile only after reading the book. Like when you finish the thing what you're intent to do it, and the one which you are really doing it in all the time, I want you to have that as a reward after finishing the work what you intend to do it. Yes, so if you are doing an exercise, then you just have reward as something else which you are doing in normal basis. Just for example, you are good in listening to music, so I want you to reward yourself the music time after the doing exercises. So every day just reward yourself at the end when you complete this task. Because whatever you are in, the task which you need all these things are something that you are unable to continue in daily basis. When you are really getting reward to that task, really your brain will boost up you to do it again and again, because you are enjoying at the end, you want that reward. So have this, it isn't psychologically, it will help you, it will promote you to do the work. So reward yourself at the end of the task which you really wanted to do it. It can be an exercise or a reading book or whatever it is. After that, reward with something which, for an example, I said you as the mobile or music time, you can reward yourself with whatever you love to have. And the next is show up on those days when you don't feel like. Yes, this is very, very important thing. Some days you will feel that you don't want to do it, and I'll tell you that on those days, please do it. Okay, don't have any reasons to conquer you. You may be having a reason that you have slept late, or you may be tired or something. The brain will give you more and more reasons. If you just hear to those reasons and make yourself that you don't do it on the day, then it will become a habit for you, or it will be hard for you to start the journey again. So just follow this, that on the days when you don't feel to do it on that day. Show up on that day. You are committed to yourself for your success. Okay, and the next and the important thing, very, very effective thing is accountability partner. Yeah, accountability partner is a thing which I have seen in many of the millionaires. They follow this, and let me explain you what it is all about. So I want you to choose one person who loves your development, who cares you really. I want you to choose that person as an accountability partner. And the thing what you want to do is, you have to state the act what you wanted to do and the timing when you are going to do it. For an example, if it is a morning exercise, yes, you have to commit to that person, say to that person that you are going to do exercises, for example, at 6 o'clock you are going to do that exercise for half an hour or 45 minutes, whatever is your schedule. So by the end of that schedule, this is for an example, you can modify according to you. Okay, so at the end of the exercise, you have to just give a call to them and state that you have completed it, or you have to just send the message that you have completed it. So when you do so, when you're committed to other person, it is naturally from your inside that you will be everyone doesn't want to feel short before others. Yes, so you will be committed to your words, you will be committed to show up before another person. So just choose that person who is really really committed in your progress. Okay, choose that person so that they will just call you back. Okay, you have to give that openness to them for making you to do it. Okay, you should give the rights to them to make a call, and they should be able to do a call and make you to do it. So just that accountability partner. Okay, you have to be there to show up to them that you are doing it on daily basis. That can be, the reviews can be on daily basis or on weekend or on monthly basis, but for us to start with, have it on daily basis, so that when you are accountable to one person, when you are committed to one person, you will be sure to do it on daily basis. And this is the thing, I tell you this, as most of the millionaires, they just follow this, and I have seen it, and this has a great progress in their life. They have many accountability partners for many things in their life, for health, for their business, for each and every category. They have different accountability partners for them to be accountable, for them to be aligned in their journey. So let me recap the thing. First is why. To ask a better questions to yourself. So first thing is why, the reason for you to start this journey. Second is set the intention, that it is simple, fun and effective. And next is stack the schedule. And next is reward yourself at the end. And next is show up on those days when you don't feel like. And the next is accountability partner. So as I said you, the goodies which is waiting for you is, there is a link in the description box. Do click the link to join my VIP group, which is exclusively for homemakers, where you will be getting daily hacks and inspirations which you can use it on daily basis. And also just comment in the comment box, tell me which point really made you to feel haha and you want to follow it in your daily life, or which thing really that matters you to follow it, which you are going to really follow in your life. And also tell me that which is the thing you are going to start in your life, a new journey. Just tell me all those your life about, all is about what you want to do in the comment box, so that it will inspire me to do what I'm doing. And also like my video and share this video to as many as people, so that you will help them to know how to take a journey to a fail-proof thing and how to make it to the end point. And also subscribe to my channel and touch the bell icon, so that you will get the notification when I post my next video. And thank you for watching till the end of this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you.